Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are good and stay safe and healthy at your places. So, students, now it's time for English session. So, take out your child-centric English perfection toolkit 2 of 2 joyful C. And now open page number 22. Yes, in earlier session we did revision of the story Sam the cat. So, students, have you read the story? Yes. And have you learned these question answers? Very good. So, you have to do practice on regular basis, right? And today we will do revision of the next story, The Man in Red. So okay, let's start. Read this. The man in red had a pet. The man in red had a pet. The man in red had a pet. Right? The man in red had a pet. जो मैन है उन्होंने ड्रेस कौन सी वियर की है रेड कलर की और उनके पास क्या है एक पेट राइट THE the poet pet WAS was a an hen the pet was a hen और वो पेट कौन सा है एक hen right the pet was a hen the pet was a hen next the her and hen was 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 in the no at net the hen was in the net और जो hen है वो किसके अंदर है नेट के अंदर the hen was in the net the hen was in the net the hen was in the net next line the when hen laid the hen laid ten eggs eggs the hen laid 10 eggs the hen laid 10 eggs so hen ने कितने eggs दिए 10 eggs okay the hen laid 10 eggs now next line the men ate the and 10 eggs the men ate the 10 eggs the men ate the 10 eggs the men ate the 10 eggs okay students now I'll ask you some questions and you have to give me answer okay so what did the men have yes answer me in a complete sentence remember it okay you have to give answer in complete sentence not with a single word you have to speak in complete sentence right so what did the men have yes men के पास क्या था yes students give me answer yes the men had a pet the men had a pet okay and keep in mind these are men not man okay you have to speak like this men right the men had a pet the men had a pet next question how many eggs did the hen lay hen ने कितने eggs दिए yes how many eggs did the hen lay and this time you have to give me answer in complete sentence yes the hen laid 10 eggs. The hen laid 10 eggs. The hen laid 10 eggs. Right? Hen ने 10 eggs दिए. Right? The hen laid 10 eggs. Okay. Now next. What did the man do with the eggs? Man ने eggs के साथ क्या किया? Yes students. Okay, the answer is the men ate the 10 eggs. The men ate the 10 eggs. राइट। मैन ने क्या किया, उन आदमियों ने क्या किया, 10 एग्स को खा लिया, राइट। द मैन एट द 10 एग्स. You have to give me answer like this in a complete sentence. Okay, the men ate the 10 eggs, right? Okay. Parents, you're requested to please make a video while reading the story of your child and send me your videos, and you have to make a video while giving the answers of these questions and send me your video. Okay, so you have to make a habit to read the story and give the answers of the questions. Okay, and you have to make a habit to write down question answers in your English notebook also, right? So do practice again and again, to practice, right? So send me your videos and work on regular basis. Okay, students. So now it's the English session is over, and now it's time for Hindi session. So bring out your Hindi book. Yes, hurry up, bring out your Hindi book. Child centric Hindi perfection toolkit 2 of 2. Joyful C. And now come on, page number 23. Yes, in earlier session we recognize the Vyanjan Gyo, right? Gyo, Gyo, Gyani, Gyo, Gyani, right? So, have you recited this jingle? ज्ञानी देते हमको ज्ञान, सीखो उनसे बनो महान, इससे देश का मान बढ़ेगा, देश हमारा साक्षर होगा. So students, have you revised this jingle? Very good. Okay, tell me, यज्ञ कौन से लोग करते हैं, पंडित या फिर मौलवी? यस, पंडित. यज्ञ पंडित करते हैं, है ना. यज्ञ में किस पेड़ की लकड़ी जलाई जाती है, आम की या फिर नीम की? यस, आम की. ओके, यज्ञ में आम के पेड़ की लकड़ी जलाई जाती है, राइट. सो यू हैव टू recite this jingle, and you have to learn your all previous jingle also, right. And once again we will revise it. It's sh, kshatriye, sh, kshatriye, tra, trishul, tra, trishul, right. And jingle. क्षत्रिय और क्षत्राणी हैं बहुत ही वीर, एक लड़ता तलवार से, एक चलाती तीर. वंस अगेन. क्षत्रिय और क्षत्राणी हैं बहुत ही वीर, एक लड़ता तलवार से, एक चलाती तीर, राइट. नाउ त्रिशूल. रक्षा करता हूं मैं सबकी, सदा हाथ में रहता हूं, तीन धारियां मेरे सिर पर, मैं त्रिशूल कहलाता हूं. वंस अगेन. रक्षा करता हूं मैं सबकी, सदा हाथ में रहता हूं, तीन धारियां मेरे सिर पर, मैं त्रिशूल कहलाता हूं. त्रिशूल में कितनी नोकें होती हैं? यस स्टूडेंट्स, बताया था ना आपको, कितनी नोकें होती हैं? तीन. त्रिशूल में तीन नोकें होती हैं, एक, दो, तीन, है ना. क्या आजकल त्रिशूल का इस्तेमाल होता है? नहीं, आजकल त्रिशूल का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता, है ना. त्रिशूल किस देवता के हाथ में रहता है, शिव जी या फिर विष्णु? यस, शिव जी, है ना. शिव जी के हाथ में होता है त्रिशूल, राइट. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. Okay, now see, you have to circle on the right Vyanjan. Okay, okay. टेल मी हु इज दिस? यस, किसका चित्र है ये? क्षत्रिय। यस, क्षत्रिय। सो क्षत्रिय कौन सा श है? क्षत्रिय, इट्स क्षत्रज्ञ। यस, श। नाउ यू हैव टू सर्कल ऑन श, राइट? श, क्षत्रिय, श, क्षत्रिय। नेक्स्ट, त्रिशूल, वेयर इज त्र? Yes, here it is. Trishul. Trishul. Right? Okay. Now, today we will learn some new Vyanjan. Okay. See, here is R. क्या बोलते हैं इसे? R. 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 Right? And this is R. R. These sounds are, most of the sounds are similar of these व्यंजन। ड, अड, ड, अड। और इनका यूज कहां पे होता है? जैसे पेड़, है ना? पेड़, सड़क, तो इनमें ड़ का यूज होता है। ड़, पेड़, सड़क। एंड दिस ड़, इसका यूज कहां होता है? जैसे पढ़, चढ़, राइट? पढ़, चढ़। Okay, so you have to recognize these व्यंजन। Okay, ड़, अड़, right? ड़, अड़, right students? So you have to learn your all jingles and you have to uh, do practice to write व्यंजन in your Hindi notebook, right students? So let's write new व्यंजन। ड़, it's like d, right? अड़, it's like ढ, ढ ढक्कन। ओके, बट बिंदी के कारण इनको अड़ पड़ेंगे, राइट? ड़, अड़। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so you have to do practice। ड़, अड़, right? And you have to send me your regular work, okay? And you have to write व्यंजन श, त्र, ज्ञ। ओके, श, त्र, ज्ञ, श, त्र, ज्ञ, and ड़, अड़। Okay students, so now today's Hindi session is over and now it's time for arts and craft session। Okay, take out your arts and craft book। Yes, take out your child centric arts and crafts, creative activities and more, joyful see। And now open page number 30। So in previous session we did this page flower pasting। So students, have you pasted here fallen parts of plants like seeds, twigs, roots, flowers and leaves? Very good. So you have to paste here all the material. Okay. Okay. Now move to the next page. Today we will do spray painting. Right. So first of all, circle on today's day. Mention here today's day, date, month, year, and check out the weather and circle on the weather. Right. Materials required: stencil of a flower, toothbrush, watercolor. Instructions: place the stencil in the center. With a toothbrush, spray paint around the stencil using watercolors. Okay, you have to do spray painting over here, right? First of all, you have to take a paper and you have to cut out the shape of the flower like this, and you have to place the paper over here, and then you have to do a spray painting with the toothbrush. Okay, and you have to do painting here, right? Okay, I'll show you. First of all, take a paper and then you have to, first of all, draw a flower on the paper like this. Like this, right? And now take the help of your parents and you have to cut the paper from the center for the spray painting, right? You have to cut from this side, right? And then after cutting you have to place the paper on the sheet, and then you have to take a toothbrush and dip into the watercolor, then use your thumb. Okay, and then you have to spray over the sheet. You have to spray over the sheet. For example, you have to spray the color with the toothbrush like this, right? You have to dip the toothbrush in the watercolor, then with the use of your thumb you have to spray it over the paper like this. You can use any color, right? Like this. After spray it looks like this. Okay, so do this activity at home, right students, and send me your work, right? I hope now you can understand how to make the flower, stencil of a flower. First of all, you have to prepare a stencil of a flower with the use of paper sheet, and then you have to cut out the shape of the flower. Then take a toothbrush, watercolor, then place the stencil in the center. Then you have to place the stencil of cutting paper over here. Then you have to take a toothbrush and spray paint around the stencil using watercolor, right? You have to dip toothbrush into the watercolor and then you have to spray over here, right? So enjoy this activity at home and send me your work, right, students? So now today's arts and craft session is over.